Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to reveal to you the best pancake I've ever tasted here in Chino Hills. I think this is not only the best pancake in Chino Hills, but I guess this is also the best pancake ever that I tasted. Maybe in the future I can taste other pancakes, but today this is the best pancake I've ever tasted. Now I'm gonna reveal it to you, but before doing so, let me have a sip of my coffee, because coffee is life, you can't live without coffee. Okay, let's go back to the subject. This pancake can be bought at Take Your Seat, which is a pretty small mom and pop restaurant near our place. And I'm going to give you the address here in this corner. So I'm gonna show you the address if you want to go and experience it also. It's just a matter of maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes from our home. So we discovered this restaurant way back last year, late last year, around November. We were looking for food to eat, and we were scrolling the app. And then my wife said, "Hey, why about we'll try this restaurant, and they go Take Your Seat." I told her, you know what? It's just near there. It's just near on that in our place. So I told her, okay, let's try. So we ordered the pancake, and I'm gonna show it to you how good this pancake is. It is not your ordinary pancake. Not like the pancake you eat at home, or you eat in IHOP. As I mentioned earlier, you can buy this pancake at Take Your Seat. This restaurant sell breakfast and brunch menu, but there are other options that you can buy, healthy options that you can select from the menu. Breakfast bowls that you can buy. We always buy also those their tofu bowl, which is also really good. But really their most popular food, and the one that a lot of the customers are buying, is the pancake, because it's just the best. It's like heaven. So I'm gonna show it to you, the pancake. And let me go back to here, the full menu here. I would like to see. So they have two selections of this pancake. The first one is, they call it berry good cloud pancake. So by the name itself, cloud, it tells you something. And then the other one is the velvet pancake. So let me show you right now how the pancake looks like. See, oops, I'm gonna take this out first. So this is the pancake. I'm gonna show it anyway. This is the cake that you can buy. Can you see it? Anyway, I'm gonna. All right. So let's talk about this pancake first. But before going to the pancake itself, let's talk about what are the things there on the plate. So they have on the plate, what you will see is they have all this fruits, berries. So it's called berry good. So there are berries there, mostly strawberries, and they also have blackberries here, and some bananas on top of it, and they're sprinkling it around like, what's it, powdered sugar or something. And they have this one, the butter, and they have this one, which, oops, why it's not, okay. It is a strawberry jam or something. So let's talk about the butter first. So good. So the butter itself, it's not your typical butter that you ordered in Denny's or IHOP. It's so soft. See, here it is. Look how soft it is. It is pretty soft, really, really soft. So it's easier for you to put it on the pancake. Remember when you go to a restaurant and when you put the butter, it's so hard that you can barely put it on the pancake. So hard that when you ended up crushing the pancake or something. But this one is just so soft and so light that when you put it in your pancake, it will just, when you slide it, it will slide easily on the pancake. So that's one thing. And look at the syrup that goes with it. This one, it's no ordinary syrup. It's a homemade syrup, I would say, because unlike other syrup there, this one has fruits, real fruits in it, real fruits. Yesterday when we were eating, I even saw a blackberry in the syrup itself. So let me show you the pancake now. So as you can see, the pancake is smaller than your typical pancake, right? But if you will notice, it's thicker. Pancake is thicker, and it has three pancakes in the plate. But let me get this over here. So let me put the butter for now. Alright, where's the video? Okay, here. So let me see, the butter is just slide through because it's so soft. That's how good the butter is. Really, really good. And then let me just get the strawberry jam and drizzle it over it. Okay, oops, I think that's enough. And we just spread it a little bit. So when you cut it, it is so soft. It is really, really soft. Really soft. Okay, so let me take a bite of the pancake. So here it is, right? So let me take a bite. Look at this. The texture is not like a regular pancake. The texture is like cake or something, you know? Oh, the thing is, when you take a bite of this pancake, it literally melts in your mouth. I'm not kidding. It's how fluffy and good this is. It is just so good. And can you hear that sound when you try to cut the pancake? I want to hear it. See it like bubbles, or when you cut it, when you slice it, a slice part of it is like bubbles, like you hear that sound. I don't know why. Maybe it's air. Okay. This is the very good pancake. Oh, so good. It is really good. Well, let me take my coffee too. Okay, so let me try the other pancake, the velvet pancake. So if you can see, it's the pancakes is the same. The pancake is the same, but the color is different. It has chocolate on top of it, and here you see it's also chocolate. Probably mocha. Let me taste. I haven't tasted this one yet, so yeah, it's mocha. I can taste mocha, and they have a chocolate instead of a strawberry. They give you a chocolate. Pretty cool. So let me try this one. Let me put some. Alright. And then we'll put some chocolate on top also. I am not a chocolate guy. I don't like chocolate. Well, I eat chocolate, but I really don't eat them a lot. Not like my wife does. She eats she likes chocolate, and she eats a lot of chocolate, but me no. Let me just cut this. All right, so it's the same too. So you can see the texture here. It looks like a cake, actually. It doesn't look like a pancake. So let me take a bite. It's good, but I still like the other one. The fact that I can taste the bitterness now because of the chocolate. No, not for me. I like the other one. I like this one. This one, rather than this one, the velvet pancake. So the difference is the berry cloud and the velvet. It tastes the same. The pancake tastes the same, but what makes it different is just the toppings on top of it. The berry good cloud pancake, it has strawberry, and this one, the velvet, it has the cream is mocha, and it has the chocolate. It really up to you. If you like chocolate, then probably you will like this the velvet pancake. But if you don't like chocolate, like me, I'm not a chocolate guy, then probably you will like the berry good cloud pancake. So hey, I hope you like my video today. I usually don't post food, but I made an exception because I like this cake and I want you to taste it. I want you to taste it. So I'm gonna put here again, show you where you can buy it, the address and the phone number. Take your seat. Didn't know that I'm making this video for them. Hey, take your seat. Maybe one pancake a week, please. Maybe. I'm giving you a good advertisement here. Anyway, so that's it for me today. But remember, if you're new to my channel, kindly please hit subscribe. Okay, like, subscribe, and also comment. If you see a restaurant that sells like this pancake, you have eaten other pancakes that's better than this and that you want me to try, okay, comment down below. And if you want to subscribe, it should be in this area here, I think. Where's my coffee? Oh, here it is. Bye guys. See you again next time. I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye.